Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been staring at his screen confused. Bank Nifty has been falling for 2 weeks. Red candle after red candle. But something strange is happening. His IT stocks are quietly going up. Infosys, TCS, Wipro, all green while banks are bleeding. He thought the whole market was crashing. But it was not crashing. The money was just moving, rotating from one sector to another. And once you understand this rotation, you stop fighting the market and start following the money. Rahul discovers sector rotation. Sector rotation is the natural movement of money between different sectors of the market. Money never sits idle. When smart money exits banks, it enters IT. When it exits IT, it enters pharma. When it exits pharma, it goes back to banks. Round and round. The total market might look flat, but underneath, billions are flowing from sector to sector. This rotation follows the economic cycle, and the economic cycle is predictable. The economic cycle has 4 phases. Phase 1, early recovery. The economy is waking up. Interest rates are low. Banks and financials lead because cheap money means more loans, more profits. Phase 2, mid-expansion. The economy is growing fast. IT and consumer stocks lead because businesses are spending on technology and people are shopping. Phase 3, late cycle. Growth is slowing. Inflation is rising. Pharma and FMCG lead because people always need medicine and food, no matter what. Defensiva sectors China. Phase 4, recession. Everything falls. Cash and gold win. Then the cycle starts again. How to spot rotation in real time. Compare sector índices. Open Bank Nifty and IT Nifty side by side. If Bank Nifty is making new highs while IT Nifty is flat or falling, money is in banks. When Bank Nifty starts stalling and making lower highs, ask yourself, where is the money going? Check IT Nifty. Check Pharma Nifty. Check Nifty Metal. One of them will be waking up while banks sleep. That is the rotation. That is where your next trade lives. Relative strength analysis. Compare each sector against Nifty 50. If Bank Nifty is rising faster than Nifty 50, banks have relative strength. They are outperforming. This is where you want to be. If IT Nifty is rising slower than Nifty 50 or falling while Nifty rises, IT has relative weakness. Avoid it. Trade strong sectors only. Never buy stocks in a weak sector hoping they will catch up. They usually get weaker. Strength breeds strength. Weakness breeds weakness. How to check rotation right now. Step 1. Open 5 sector indices. Bank Nifty, IT Nifty, Pharma Nifty, Nifty Metal, Nifty FMCG. Step 2. Compare their 1-month returns. Step 3. Rank them from strongest to weakest. The top 2 sectors are where the money is flowing into. The bottom 2 are where money is flowing out. Step 4. Find the leaders within the strong sectors. The strongest stocks in the strongest sector. That is your trading universe for the next few weeks. Real example. Bank Nifty peaked and started consolidating. Flat for 2 weeks after a big rally. Meanwhile, IT Nifty started making higher lows, then higher highs. The rotation was obvious. Money leaving banks, entering IT. Rahul checked the IT sector leaders. TCS was the strongest, making new highs while Infosys was still below its previous high. Rahul bought TCS when it broke above resistance. He was trading the strongest stock in the strongest sector. That is sector rotation in action. Rahul's sector rotation rules. 1. Follow the money. Do not fight the rotation. If banks are weak, do not buy bank stocks hoping for reversal. 2. Trade leaders in strong sectors. The strongest stocks in the strongest sectors give the highest probability trades. 3. Avoid laggards in weak sectors. Laggards in weak sectors are the most dangerous trades. 4. Check sector rotation weekly. It does not change daily. One rotation lasts weeks to months. 5. Use relative strength charts to confirm which sectors are leading and which are lagging. Money never leaves the market. It just rotates. Follow the rotation, and you follow the smart money. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.